Hey guys, it's Jada, and so today I am surprising my best friend in Philadelphia for his 19th birthday. Super excited. Like, I'm kind of scared because I don't think he knows, but I don't even know. I live in New York City, if you guys are new to my channel. We're actually coming back together tomorrow, but he doesn't know that because he was planning on coming to the city on Sunday to have like a day of fun with like me and my friends. So I asked him to send me his bus ticket information so that I could get on the same bus as him so that we could come back together, if that makes any sense. I'm packing. We're in the new apartment, obviously. Yeah, so I like it. It's fun, it's nice, but yeah, we literally moved in yesterday and here I am already leaving to go on a day trip to Philly. Yeah, I will see you guys when I'm still packing because that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so yeah, I need to get some breakfast this morning, and on the bus ride there I'm gonna be doing some work, so need to bring some things. Okay, I'm all packed. So I got some breakfast, just some cereal, and I'm posting this on my Snapchat story so that he has no idea. Saturday in NYC. Yeah, just trying to make things seem as normal as possible, you know? You shouldn't like get any hints or anything. I don't know. Okay, we're out. It's so cold today. I'm on track. I'm so excited to surprise him. I swear to Bob, if it gets ruined, I don't think it will though, because I kept it a secret. Heading to the subway station. The subway. I'm gonna wait for the bus. My bus is at 11:45. It's 11, so I've got so much time. I think I'm gonna get some lunch because I'm so hungry. I don't really know where I'm at, but it's kind of cute, I guess. I passed by the Vessel earlier. I just came in to sit because it was so cold outside. There's a Starbucks over there, but I don't really want Starbucks for lunch. Yeah, maybe I find another food place because I want something to eat on the bus because I'm gonna be so hungry. I think I can find something from there, but we'll see. I just need to chill for a second. I'm so tired. Okay, no lighting. This is where I am. I didn't know, so yeah.
Too many times I let good things go up in flames. They blow up like dynamite. If I'm being honest, no, I got a problem. No one made me wanna change. Then that was you. It feels so new. I just wanna get this right. No, I'm not a role model. Nothing ever seems to last. Baby, now that I got it, I'll be better with you. I'll be better with you. Now that I got it.
Oh God. What? You didn't even have time to set up your camera. Oh gosh.
We're here. Oh, she's brave. She's brave. Yeah. Hello. I have pasta. He has a chicken sandwich, and we're thriving. So I'm at another dorm visiting some of David's friends, and I'm gonna go see my friends and I'm gonna vlog them. We're gonna see Jordan and Piper. They're on another floor, so.
Can't help myself. I like myself way more when you're by my side. Just say enough. It's been a while. You're not like those other guys.
Introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Peter Kirby.
And what is currently happening right now?
My ears are about to be pierced.
Oh, got it. This is normal things at college. They're doing teamwork.
You're scared.
Piper, how you doing?
I feel like I'm the most nervous person. Peter, I love you, and I believe that this is going to be okay. This is the easiest piercing you can do.
All right, I'll do a Parent Trap scream.
No, you will not. Peter, I'm gonna give you a 1, 2. On breathe 3, in. I want you to breathe in, okay? And then I'm gonna do it.
Breathe in on 3.
Breathe in on 3.
Yes.
Okay, Peter. Peter.
Yes.
Peter.
Yes.
Breathe, okay? Just breathe. I need just take a few deep breaths.
Let's all breathe together.
Donald's cross. Donald's cross. Up.
You're right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, sorry, it didn't go in all the way. It's
You're doing
okay.
great. You're doing great.
Keep breathing.
Yes, you're doing
Okay,
great.
ready? 1,
I understand.
2, 3.
Push it.
Push it in.
Push.
Peter, pushing it in! Peter!
What?
It's like almost through. Ready? What's going in? It's going.
Renee.
No, it's fine.
Is it?
It's in. It's through. It's through. Peter's
How did it feel? It hurts.
I'm so sorry that took so long. Your ear it's thicker than I thought. And now I know what it feels like. Okay.
Your ear is.
Oh my god.
Out this way here.
No.
Oh
yeah, how'd you get the ear?
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gonna be
This is the worst part. This is the worst part. You just have to push it in, Jordan.
It's like slippery.
Okay.
It's hard to hold.
Sorry, Peter.
So close. Breathe in.
I don't think it's in.
I think it went through.
I could hear it go through.
Okay. So keep breathing, Peter. You're okay. Okay.
Woo.
It's in.
Woo!
You got it. You need to squeeze it in so it stays.
Okay, squeeze it in so it stays. I know.
Peter, you have your ear pierced.
Hell yeah! Oh, this is so nice! Yay! Holy crap! We're in the studio! We're gonna dance! Yay! And before I get copyrighted, I'm gonna stop the music from going.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk down like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
I think that was it. Still in the studio. It's late, but it's fine. Oh, literally can't see you. There we go. Hey. Hey guys, it's 11:30 p.m. I'm tired. I don't know about you. But yeah, I don't know, we're gonna head to the, what's it called? Wawa.
Wait,
yeah.
Wawa might be closed.
But it's like a QT, right? So it
But
should
see,
be open.
that one closes early.
Oh no! I wanted
We'll
a
see,
Snapple.
we'll see.
Okay.
There's a deli by mine.
That's open?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we're gonna explore. Bye! It is like 7 in the morning, and I'm leaving Jordan and Piper's place. I slept over at their house, or at their dorm. It's David's birthday today. This bitch bought an 8 a.m. ticket for the bus. I am so tired. We're going to head home. Okay, and then, fuck. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna meet David. So David's gonna come to this apartment, or to this dorm hall, and then we're gonna Uber to the bus. I'm so tired.
I just wanna throw my hands. I just wanna make with a stand. I just wanna catch one glance. I just wanna see you dance, girl. I just wanna, I just wanna shine like